Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.uk. I hope you're all doing well. So today's card is this little 4x4 notelet. As you can see, it just says sending you our thoughts and our prayers. It's using the Wishing You Well stamp set from the Autumn Winter catalogue, and I really like it. I personally, you might not, but hey, I hope you do. Shall we get started? So I'll move the card into the corner. So I have already done a lot of the heat embossing, just to save time really. And you all know how to heat emboss, and if you don't, let me know and I'm happy to run through that with you. So 4x4, and that is in Sahara sand. And then I've done a matte which is just 1/4 of an inch smaller, as you can see, which is going to sit on top. So let's put in our snail and just quickly adhere that onto the card, like so. And what I've also done is I've done a mat of vellum, which, if you have a look at the example, is just again 1/4 of an inch smaller, and that's just going to sit on top like so. But before we glue this down, I have heat embossed onto basic black the wreath again, which we used on the background, which is here. It's very pretty. It's like a, I'm going to say pointillism, because it's like those little dots. There you go, you can see. So it's really pretty. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place that in the middle of the vellum square. And I'm going to use, actually I'm going to use this, just our snail, just to pop that down roughly in the middle. Like so, as you can see. And all I'm going to do is in the corner just gently rock it back and forth like so. And then it will lift up slightly, and then some more snail on the back of there, and just line that up into position like so. So you can still see the background that you created with the wreath, but the main focus is taken away from that and onto this centre part. So I'm going to bring in the stamp apparatus with the sentiment, and what I've already done is I've cut a strip of Whisper White measuring 1.5 centimetres wide. The length I've left varied because I can always trim that down in the end. I'm going to bring in Memento ink. I'm going to move that card out of the way for a second, just so I can bring it in. And what I like to do is I like to take the arm off to ink up. I'm just going to ink it up like so, and pop that on and lay it flat. And as you can see, so easy. Didn't take a lot of pressure either for me to stamp that on. And just move the magnets out of the way. And there you go, that's our sentiment. So I did all the lining up earlier on, just to save time. And I'm just going to trim it down ever so slightly. I think more on this edge. I'm going to fishtail the ends. Like so. And there we have it. So on the example it is slightly curved, and all I'm going to do is just run it through my fingers a couple of times in both directions, just to give it a nice little bend. but then I'm going to take it back and just do it on reverse. So we have that little wave. And again here. Just fiddle with it, like so. So what I'm going to do now is just grab some dimensionals, and I'm going to pop 2 on the back, on top of each other, like so. Just so then I've got double height, so we don't lose that bend. And just put that towards the lower bottom, making sure it's in the centre of the card. Like so. So there you have it. All I'm going to do to finish the card off is I'm going to grab some rhinestones. Let me just swap my tool around and bring it in the take your pick tool. And I'm just going to randomly dot them around the reef shape. Can't pick it up. Like so. It doesn't matter where you put them, but I'm just going to vary it. So one's on the top, one's on the bottom, and vice versa. Like so. Move them out of the way. Oh, lost one. Pick that up. And there you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed it. It's using the Wishing You Well stamp set. While you're here, why don't you pop into the description below or leave a comment, like and subscribe, and why not press the little bell just so you can be notified whenever I post a video. Full description of the products used is in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's card. Bye.